Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we will read English course book, lesson 1, the poem Aim High to the Sky. In this poem, we will read and understand a poem. Learn and use rhyming words. Learn words to describe ourselves. Learn to write a poem about ourselves. These things we will learn in this poem. Children, now open page number 14. Exercise B. You are seeing here work in pairs. Take turn to look at each other drawings. Guess what your partner wants to become when she grows up. So children, this lesson is about what do you want to become when you grow up. Okay, you want to become a doctor, your friend want to become a singer, another friend want to become a superhero, another engineer, scientist, soldier, actor. Okay, everyone aim is different. Aim means goal. Everyone goal is different what he want to become. Okay, so now we are going to read the poem, page number 14. I am reading this first, after that I will explain it. Read this poem by James MacDonald to know how important it is dream and work hard. The poet of this poem is James MacDonald. Children, who is the poet? The poet who writes the poem. Okay. So the poet of the poem is who is James MacDonald. Right? Now, aim high to the sky in all that you do, because you just never know what it takes to be you. Means that aim means goal. गोल मीन व्हाट डू यू वांट टू अचीव. आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं, आप क्या करना चाहते हैं बड़े होकर. हाई टू द स्काई मीन्स एवरीवन हैज अ ड्रीम टू बिकम समथिंग. I am a teacher. I want to become a teacher. You want to become a doctor, a scientist, engineer. Okay. In all that you do means that आप भी कुछ ना कुछ बनना चाहते हैं. आपका भी you also have a dream, because you just never know. Now you don't know what is your aim, what it takes to be you. You don't know the right path. How will you become a doctor, how engineer. So you are little now. You are little now. When you will grow up, then you will decide your goal, decide your dream. Right? Now, be strong and be brave, but at the same time be kind, and always be sure that you are using your mind. So children, if you want to achieve your goal, if you want to fulfill your dream, what you should do? You should become strong and brave. And as well as you should become kind. Kind means polite. You should be polite also with other peoples. Okay, and always be sure. और आप यू शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट. आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस भी होना चाहिए दैट यू आर यूजिंग योर माइंड, और टू अचीव योर गोल you have to use your mind. So children, so this poem you will learn it and write in your notebook. I am reading it again. You also do practice it and learn it. Aim high to the sky in all that you do, because you just never know what it takes to be you. Be strong and be brave, but all the same time be kind, and always be sure that you are using your mind. After that, these are words meaning. These words meaning also you learn and write in the notebook. Aim means to try to do something or you can say your dream or achieve a goal. Takes to be you requirements to be in your best form. कि आप अपने किसी भी चीज़ को, किसी भी गोल को, आपको अपने गोल को अचीव करना है तो उसके लिए बेस्ट फॉर्म, बेस्ट वे क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू अचीव योर गोल. Sure means certain, or you can say confident. Children, I hope all of you enjoyed this poem and understood it well. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.